Everyone is talking about South Africa's favorite meal kit delivery service. But here at UCOOK, we're about so much more than just that. We get what it's like to never know what to do for dinner, whether you're living on your own or head of your family. That's why we make planning your week super simple and convenient. With UCOOK, you have the option of starting a subscription, where you'll receive weekly meal kit orders based on your meal kit selection. You can also choose non-subscription items like frozen craft meals and wine that don't require a subscription at all. Whatever you're craving, ordering online is easy and you'll get inspired again. Driving to the shops after a long day of work shouldn't be on your to-do list. UCOOK is here to help you save and consume only what you want. With free delivery for our meal kits plus add-ons, pre-portioned ingredients to cut back on food waste, and weekly deals on a range of items you'll love, you'll waste less and save more. When you order from UCOOK, we work together with local farmers and small businesses to support and grow with them. We're big on taking care of the planet too. Our meal kit model results in a much smaller carbon footprint compared to traditional grocery stores. And whenever you order from UCOOK, you can return your clean and dry packaging material to your courier inside of your box. We'll do the work for you. Head to our YouTube channel to learn more.